Hi, I'm getting very less calls than recorded in Google Ads call reports. Say if Google Call Ads reports 100 calls, I'm getting only 30 actual calls. Is this anything I'm missing? Please help. Yes, so with phone calls, there's a two-step process. The first one is the click on the ad. So Google will um, register this as a click or a phone call. But then on your actual phone, the phone dialer pops up, right? Now, some people, in this case, 30 of the clicks went ahead and clicked the dialer and made the call, and the 70 didn't. So that is the discrepancy between the two. Ideally, you want at least 50% to be from phone calls into calls, actual calls, as the bare minimum number. 30, you're not quite there yet. So I would say optimize your ad so that you get more relevant calls, and also look at the negative keywords and tighten your targeting a bit. Look at the keywords as well where they have got a lot more intent for your offer. So that's how I would increase the actual calls on your campaign.